Welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Boxyluxe. This is the big box. This is the one that comes out every 3 months. So yeah, I'm so excited to unbox it. So just in case that you guys don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly makeup subscription. You could either get the little box, which is $21 a month. They take it out your account every 1st of the month, and you should receive it before the 10th of the month. No, it gets shipped out before the 10th of the month. You can also do Boxyluxe and get this size box. This is $50 every 3 months. I happen to be enrolled in both, so this month I get the Boxyluxe. Next month I'm going to get the regular BoxyCharm. So yeah, if you want to see what all I have in this box, keep on watching, and yeah, let's jump into it. Oh, and also I always forget this. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I try to do unboxings every month and also do hauls, wig reviews, makeup reviews, and tutorials. So yeah, let's see what's in my BoxyCharm box. Okay, so now this is the stock card for the Boxyluxe. Normally in the regular BoxyCharm, it's a smaller stock card. And then on the back, it is the list of the products and the prices. And I believe it's a brief description of the product. So yeah, let's see. The first item that's in this box is this right here. Oh. This is so cute. It's a BoxyCharm like to-go makeup bag. I can totally use this in school, like for when we start our makeup classes. That won't be until like a couple, like 10 weeks from now or something like that. But okay, let's see what this is called. Okay, so this is the This is the BoxyCharm train case. This retails for only $20. This is how it looks. Let me show you guys the inside. It has the logo and all that. You can fit quite a bit of makeup products in this. So this is very nice. Too bad you can't really travel with this because, yeah, for the airplane it has to be transparent bags. Next is the iconic eyebrow cushion. So let's see, this retails for $40. Wow. Okay, so this is an eyebrow cushion. I believe it's somewhat like a gel or I don't know. You just put your hand on it and it wets, you know, the finger. But they also have an applicator that you can use for your eyebrows. So yeah, that's very interesting. This is $40. Good deal. I'm going to try to use this because it actually fits the color of my eyebrows. So far, so good. Okay, BoxyCharm Luxe. Okay. Next is the It's Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. This retails for $48. This is how it looks. My camera there. Can you guys see that? This is the box. This is the box just in case you guys want to go and pick this up on your own. Retails for $48. So I guess this is just a moisturizer cream. We have nail polish. This is called, let me hold it up while I find the name. Deborah. Y'all see the name right there? That's the name. So yeah, this is the color of the nail polish. I hope this camera is picking this color up. It appears that it is. So if it doesn't, guys, I am so sorry. I tried. But this is a beautiful, those two are some beautiful colors. So BoxyCharm is doing their thing. Then I have Becca Ultimate Lipstick. This is retail for $24. It's in this tube right here. This is how it looks, just in case you guys want to pick it up. The color that I have is called Charisma. You know, I have a lot of lipsticks, but I don't too much often wear them. Ooh. This is a bright red. It's cute, but this is a bright red. Oh, this is a pillow mask. Pretty. This is the Wonder. Let me hold it. This is the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This retails for $34. Let's see how this smells. I need to start using this stuff. And it comes off, this is how it looks, y'all. It's like a rosy, glittery pink type mask. That will be, that is so neat. So neat. Ooh, ooh. Next we have some, oh my God, I love brushes, y'all. I love them. We have a powder brush and we have a soft glow brush. So this could be for, I'm thinking for like a highlight and then for powder. So yeah, let me open this. This is called Muda Brushes, Powder, and Soft Glow Kit. This retails for $39. Okay, this is fancy. Very fancy. It's like a shiny metallic pink. How are these brushes? Ooh. Ooh. This feels nice, y'all. BoxyCharm is doing their thing. Wow. Okay, I'm liking this Boxyluxe so far. Ooh, and wait a minute. Is it 2 palettes in 1 box? Wow. Y'all, I really hope that this is my shade. This is the I can never say this right. CoverFX. Where is it? CoverFX Perfector Face Palette. This retails for $45, y'all. $45. I hope this is my medium deep. Okay. They make some, oh goodness gracious. Oh yes. Look at this, y'all. I can contour with this. This matches my black radiance. You can already tell I contour my nose. And look, it's almost damn near the same. Wow, $45, and I got it for like almost free, baby. Free. Wow. This is nice. It comes with a highlighter, contour, finishing powder, brightener, another highlighter, and blush. Wow. I'm geeked up now. Like, I'm going to be able to use all of this. Like, wow. Oh, they sent some lashes. Oh, these are Lily lashes, y'all. Look at these lashes. I am a lash queen. And the style that I have, this is the limited edition lashes, false mink. This is the Gila lashes. Retails for $24. Can you guys see it? $24. This is so bomb. And last but not least, now I really freaking love Morphe palettes. I really love their palettes. I hope this one is one of their good ones. Sometimes they're not all that good, but sometimes they are. But when they are bum.com. So I know it was 3 variations of this. So hopefully, I don't even know which ones, what were the 3 that you could pick from. I can't even speak right, y'all. I'm so sorry. So this one is the Morphe 15B. How much does this retails for? This retails for $16. This is the Artistry palette, 15 shade. You know, I already have the Artistry palette though, the big one. But you know, I can always use more. Okay. This is what I got. Looks cute. Everything can almost fit in here, y'all. This is, have y'all noticed the theme is like a rosy mauve color? That is so bomb to me. And to be honest, I think all these products can fit in this bag. This is such a good box this month. Wow. I am so satisfied with this Boxyluxe. Thank you so much for BoxyCharm. You guys did your thing. So that is all that I have for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs me up. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Just bypassed it. And hopefully next time I'll meet all your needs. And hopefully you guys will join my channel. I really would love to have you all watching my videos. I love entertaining people. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So thanks guys for watching. Love you all. I hope you all have a good, productive week. I hope everybody have a positive week. I hope everybody beat their goals, or at least put some type of effort towards their goals. If you have not, you still have time to do so. As long as you're breathing and you're healthy and all that, you have no excuses. All right, y'all. Bye.